Hi, welcome to Skanda Happy Learning. Today we are going to discuss the important lesson excretion. What is excretion? The word excretion is derived from the Latin word ex and crenere. What is the meaning of ex? Ex means out. The crenere means shift. That means shift the materials outside. If you observe the definition of the excretion, so the process of removing unwanted substances from the body that is called excretion. What materials are excreted outside and where do they produce? How they are produced? These are the topics we are going to discuss in this lesson. Say for example, there is a factory. In factory, lot of the things are manufactured. The things which are useful for different purpose. So whatever the things are manufactured in the factory, along with that some wastages are generated. These wastages may be liquid kind of wastages or solid wastages or gaseous wastages. So these are the three different types of wastages are generated from the factory along with the useful things. These wastages, the must and should dispose them in the properly, otherwise they cause the air pollution or they cause the water pollution or they cause the soil pollution. Like the same way, if you observe in all the living organisms are made up of the basic unit of the life that is called cell. So this is a cell in which lot of metabolic activities takes place. Due to the metabolic activities, the useful substances are produced. These useful substances to carry different kinds of activities in human body. Along with the useful substances, due to the metabolic activities, some wastages are generated. What kind of wastages generated? Say for example, in plants, due to the process of photosynthesis. In plants, due to the process of photosynthesis, oxygen is eliminated outside as a waste. In respiration, the carbon dioxide and water goes outside in the form of a wastage. Along with these wastages, so excess amount of salts and the nitrogenous wastages are produced in the different organisms. Whatever the wastages are generated in the different organisms due to the metabolic activities, these wastages must and should eliminate from the body. Otherwise, the wastages accumulated in the body, it disturbs the metabolic activities. Sometimes they become poisonous and toxic, then chances to cause the diseases. So these materials eliminated outside. But who carry these process? That is nothing but excretory system. Excretory system is helpful to eliminate the unwanted substances from the different organisms. Next, excretion in human beings. The human beings are the multicellular organisms. The body is made up of millions of the cells. Each cell, it is considered as a small factory. Each cell, it is considered as a small factory. So in this cell, the lot of metabolic activity, due to the metabolic activities, some substances are produced. The substances nothing but, say for example, in respiration, the energy is produced. Along with the energy, some wastages produced. The wastages like water, nitrogenous wastages like urea, uric acid, next ammonia, the next bile pigments, like bilirubin, biliverdin and urochrome. These are the bile pigments. The next, excess amount of salt. These are the wastages are produced due to the metabolic activities. So among these wastages, like among the nitrogenous wastages, the ammonia is the most poisonous wastages. The next, water. Here water. The water, of course, the water is not a poisonous and toxic substance, but excess amount of water, it disturbs the different metabolic activities. It disturbs the functions in our body. So that is the reason. So we have to eliminate all these wastages from the body. Otherwise, these wastages are accumulated in the body and disturb the functions. So sometimes there is chances to cause the diseases. What is excretory system and what is the function of excretory system? The excretory system is helpful to remove unwanted substance from the body. That is the major function of the excretory system. It comprises of the pair of kidneys, pair means two, the pair of kidneys, the next pair of ureters, the next urinary bladder, next urethra. Now let us discuss them in detail one by one. The first, kidneys. Now let's see the kidneys. Where are the kidneys are located? The two kidneys are located dorsal wall of the body in the abdominal cavity, either side of the vertebral column. If you observe the shape of the kidney is in bean shape, same like a bean seed. The color of the kidney is reddish brown. The next, the length of the kidney is 10 centimeter. The next, breadth 5 to 6 centimeter. Next, 4 centimeter thickness. The next, if you observe the kidney, it has a outer surface as well as inner surface. So these outer surface, it has convex shape. The outer surface of the kidney, it has convex shape. The next, inner surface of the kidney, it has a concave shape. The inner surface of the kidney is concave shape and outer surface of the kidney is convex shape. So here, just if you observe, so the renal artery, the inner surface of the kidney, it has a concave shape. The concave shape, it has a inner surface of the kidney, it has a hilus or fissure. Here, hilus or fissure. Through the hilus or fissure, the renal artery is entry into the kidney. See here, just I have drawn with the violet color. It is entry into the kidney, renal artery entry into the kidney. Then next, renal vein. So just I have drawn with yellow color, the renal vein and ureters. These renal vein and ureters both are exit from the kidney through the hilus or fissure of the kidney. But what is carry the renal artery? Renal artery, it carry oxygenated blood along with some wastages. So whatever the blood it pass to kidney, in which the filtration takes place. After that, so here the next again the blood goes outside through the renal vein and it goes to heart. The next, so here the filtration takes place. These ureters which carry urine from the kidneys, it goes to urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is a muscular bag-like structure. The next, the study of the kidney is called nephrology. Nephrology. Who study about the kidneys, he is known as nephrologist. Remaining will be discussed in part 2. Please do subscribe, like and share, comment. Thank you.